Hey creative friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to this super cute crafty product review. Now I have done reviews like this before, but I am so excited about this one. So if you guys remember, I did a review for like a Halloween felted set. I did a review for a crocheted little birds that I did with my daughter that were so cute. And I told the lady who contacts me about those things, if you ever have a Christmas set, I want to do it. So she said a couple weeks ago, she's like, hey, we're promoting a Christmas kit. I'm so excited. So I got this box and I went to open it and I imagined it would be, you know, like a little kit. And I thought, what is this big box? Well, look at the size of the kit. So in the description will be all you need for this kit. Now, I didn't even open the plastic part because I want to do that with you because I have no clue what's in here. I do know it's an entire crocheted little Christmas scene. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up so that you guys can see inside, and I'll take the plastic off and we'll open this together. Okay, so this is a little bit awkward at the table. I'm over here, but it's nice. I'm by my fireplace. Anyway, I'm going to take a little look and see what's in here. I'm excited about this. I can't wait to show you. And then what I'm going to do, this was Brian's suggestion because you have 1 month before Christmas. So he suggested that I open the package and show you, give you the link so that you can purchase it and then get started on it. And then I will do the same. I'll get started on it and then I'll post little updates as I go because I know you guys are going to want time to do this if this is something you want to do, which I'm excited. And if you're a crocheter, this is going to be so much fun. So, oh boy. Okay. Got it wrapped here. It's really a nice box, actually. I think this would be a box I would save to put Christmas decorations in because this is a heavy-duty, nice box. And I loved all the other things that I've done. They've just been awesome. So I will put the link down there for you. Okay. Get this out of here. Now, I'm going to a little slit right here. And then, oh, look, it's like an Advent thing. Oh, so cute. Okay. Now, this is Crochet and Wait for Christmas. Evidently, you're open a surprise each day. Spend Christmas time filled with love and surprise with family. So, I'm going to do this. So, then it has 18, 24. It's like an Advent crochet calendar. So I am going to get started anyway so that I can show you. But oh, look, this is what it makes. So it says, Dear customer, thank you for choosing our Christmas Advent blind box. It is our utmost honor to be selected by you. We have prepared detailed written instructions and video tutorials. And I will tell you, if you look at my, my last reviews, you will see they are phenomenal video tutorial that you can see that walk you through it. Anyway, so to ensure you have an enjoyable crochet experience, here's a small tip. The essential accessories are in slots 1 and 18 because they give you everything. You may want to prioritize these 2 slots to get your crochet tools. Additionally, please keep our instruction manual safe as you might need it for some of the latter slots. Each of our compartments is filled with various items, so please be gentle when opening a small compartment to avoid tearing the adjacent ones and losing the surprise element of the blind box. This is what we're going to make. Do you see that? See, there's like a Santa Claus. What else is there? There's like a snowman. There's a little star. There's a tree. Like, oh, look at the little house with a tree. This is so cute. But what I'll do is I'm going to open the first one so that I can show you guys. I want to be really careful. The last one that I opened, I kind of was a little rugged with it, I'll say. But I want to pop this one open so you can see what's in here. And then you can order this. And then you can go over on my Facebook group and post pictures of your progress. That would be a super fun project. Let's do it, you guys. Okay. I'm excited to see if you guys get this and we all do our little projects. I want to tear the little, these are really well made. So I'm going to do them so they flip up. I'm not going to tear the top part off. I'm just going to do this part so they flip up. There we go. Kind of like a little This is cute. Okay. But, you know, you could do one a day until, like, the middle of December and then set the whole thing up. Okay, so what do we got here? Oh, look. These are tools. You have a crochet, 2 different crochet hooks and 2 needles and crochet markers. You know, let's see. Oh, there's even a little glue gun action. Oh, look at these. I wonder what these are for. There's some glue gun, some glue sticks, needles, pins. Gosh, they do have everything. Oh, look at, yep, this is everything. There is crochet hooks there, and there's even, look at the little eyes for the little snowmen and stuff. Nice. And then, what do we have here? Here's some bag. I'm going to have to read the instructions and find out what. And there's like fluffy snow. And now I'm going to look at 18 so we can see the instructions, I bet, are in there. Because that's what it said. So I want to get the instructions out. Do this here. I don't want to tear these all completely off. The last one I did, and I don't want to do that this time. Oopsie. There we go. Let me do it this way. This is cute. Oh, and look. Here's all the little pom-poms. Oh, look, little pumpkins, little snowflakes, all kinds of things. Okay, so I'm going to get the instruction manual, and then I'm going to come back to you, and we'll look at it. All right, here's what I did. I looked at, the accessories are in 1 and 18, and then I thought, well, where is the instruction manual? And I checked out the biggest, the other biggest box or door, I guess you'd say, and sure enough, there's your instruction manual, and there's a DIY handicrafts crochet kit for beginners, and this is going to show you, this shows you actually some crochet information on how to get started, how to read a crochet pattern, and then it shows you like how to hold the hook. And then that's subjective though, because my grandma used to hold it like a spoon. Like she held her crochet hook like this, and I hold it like this. So hold it how it's comfortable. It shows you how to do different steps and things like that. Then here's a cute little Christmas card. Oh, just a card. And then see, here's more supplies, little snow. But here's the best part, is this instruction manual. It will have everything you need, and it shows you, look at the 4 pieces, we're going to make that, and then the little pieces there. Oh, it's so cute. And then you see how it has like how to get started, and then it's going to tell you, let me see, sometimes it will tell you here, this is awesome. It tells you which, there's your little QR code. If you scan that, that's what's going to show you the videos. The last one I had, the videos are awesome. So if you scan that, it will, there will be scan the code to do the video tutorials for each of these things. So that is just a whole bunch of fun. I'm excited. We're going to get started on that. So I'm going to get started, and then I will come back and I will give you updates on my progress. But for now, if you want a fun thing, this is amazing. This will be so much fun to do. And that was Brian's idea. I'm showing you this so you can get it. Now I'm going to get started, and I'll come back and show you my progress. See, there he is. He's excited about these because this is super cute. So let me get started on it, and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you some progress. But for now, check out the description box. There will be everything you need for you to get started on your own awesome Christmas crochet kit. So I hope you do it, and let me know. I'm excited.